I spoke for less than 2 minutes on the speaking part 2 of the IELTS speaking test. Will this affect my score? If this is your first time here on the channel, thank you very much. It means a lot to me that you're here. Hit that subscribe button to support us. The simple answer to the question is no. You are given a score on how you did over the entire speaking test and not just in one particular section. The 2-minute monologue means you need to speak for 2 minutes, obviously. The fact of the matter is that you need to keep speaking until the examiner interrupts you. So, in the event that you have nothing more to say, use a filler to add more information. For example, say things like, I could also add that. One more thing I can say here is. Also, look at the cues in the speaking topic that the examiner gives you and see where you can add more information. It's likely that you either talked very quickly about some of the cues than the rest. One important thing to note here is that you need to talk about as close to the topic as possible. You don't need to use all the cues. You don't need to talk about the cues in order, and you don't also have to actually use all of them. However, and this is important, talk about your story as close as you can to the topic. That's the main thing here. But one thing you shouldn't do is to repeat the same information again that you already spoke about. So, look friends, even as a teacher, I find it really weird to talk for 2 minutes straight. But hey, that's the speaking test for you. The only way to do this is to practice your 2-minute monologue with different topics. Now remember, the examiner monitors time, so you don't have to worry about that. Keep talking until you're interrupted. To improve your speaking, I have linked my practice tests in the description box below. Check them out and it'll definitely help. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about the IELTS test. I will be posting videos every week. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.